2010 to 2012 Ford Fusion aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a Ford Fusion. This is a 2011, but you could use this for 2010, 2012 as well. So back here in the center console, I have my aux port. This one stopped working. I'm going to replace it. A tool I use is this plastic interior pry bar tool. I'm going to link it below. These are great because they don't scratch your interior or they won't break anything really. I'm going to go ahead and go in from the top right here between the aux port panel and then the center console panel, and you're just going to pry this forward a little bit while pushing down. There's a little clip in there that you push down, and then you kind of push the thing forward. And then once it comes out a little bit, you can just kind of grab it, wiggle it, and pull the whole thing out. There's one connector. You're going to push the little thumb tab button down on the connector and pull it backwards. Don't pull by the wires or else you'll rip your wires. And it's right here. I had to use some tool to help me because I have fat fingers. So if you have fat fingers, there's no problem using a small tool to help you get that off. Just don't stab yourself or nothing with your tool. And then once you get that out, we're going to come over here. Now the aux port itself comes out of this panel. This panel has like these little plastic clips on the side. You're going to gently move those to the outside and then pull your aux port itself upwards out. Try not to break those side tabs because they break super easy. You're just going to go gently, open them up, and then you'll pull that panel, pull the USB port outwards. Here it is right here. This is what you replace. This is available on Amazon. It's right here. This is a Ford part. Ford is infamous for having 20 part numbers for one single part, so don't worry about the part number being off a little bit. This is the right part. I'm going to link it below and you'll be good to go. Here's just some of the part numbers that this thing goes by. There's 4 just right off the bat, but there's also many more. So this is the right one. I'll link it below, so check that. Now once you got your new one, you're going to take this and it's pretty much just going to be reverse of what we did. Here's the part number that's on there if you want to see it. It's a very small, kind of got to use a magnifying glass to see it, but this will just drop in here. I think it only goes one way, so if it's not going in, you got to put it in the right way. Yeah, there's just because there's a little like pathway on the bottom of that panel spot. You just line it up and then it goes in, just pushes right in, clips in place. And then we're just going to reconnect the connector down here. It only goes in one way, so it should actually be pretty easy to plug back in. And then we're just going to push this guy in right here, just kind of line it up. Take your time with it. Don't rush this part because you don't want to break the panel or the clips after you did all this work. I'll just push this guy into place like that. And then that's it, guys. You're good to go. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Auxito.com promo code. Now Auxito has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Auxito headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.